It's the Tyre Showdown! Fight! Hi, welcome back to AJ's Little Shed Shop. Today we're going to be putting my favourite little toy, the Tyre Glider, again against the Tyre Monkey. Now obviously last time we did have a battle between them, and it also ended up requiring the traditional tyre lever as well. But those rims and tyres were extremely tight and stupid flat rims with no gully for the actual tyre to drop into. So today I have both of the Tyre Gliders, the original blue and the new red. And the only difference, you can't really tell even by eye, is how wide the channel guide is. This channel guide, and that's it. The red one apparently is slightly wide enough to be able to do carbon rims, and they're going to be up against, I'm only going to use one, I'm going to use the red one because it's my new one, and they're going up against this Tru-Tension Tyre Monkey that, it has the same, well, say similar, it has a very similar channel for the rim there, and I haven't had a single successful tyre removal with this Tru-Tension Tyre Monkey, in my opinion, piece of crap. But today we are going with my new Monty rims and tyres. Wow, that's hot. They've been sitting here in the sun for not that long actually. I'm going to see if they'll work on a normal rim and a normal tyre. These are 32s, there's no air in these. So hopefully we're going to take these tyres off of these rims, front and rear, hopefully, and get the tyres back on with any luck. I have the Tyre Glider for one wheel and I have the Tyre Monkey for the other. So I'll pop that there and leave the Tyre Monkey on it, so we know that's that one. And the Tyre Glider is going to be getting used first. First of all, because this is a Presta valve, we'll just undo the retaining nut and we'll get going. First of all, you have to release the tyre from the rim. So you just pull it away from that rim, all the way to the centre of the rim. If I said rim a lot, I think I have. Right into the gully in the centre of that rim. Also, most people don't do, is you get your valve and push it up, because then it gets out of the way of where that is. Right, Tyre Glider. We're going to start opposite the valve. We pull back that tyre, under with that lever, use that hand. Done. That's amazing, absolutely amazing. Look how quick that was. And then you can just take out your inner tube. Job done. Now let's put it back on. So to put it back on, you use this groove here and that lip, and it just hooks over the rim. So you pull the tyre back slightly and it hooks on like that. So we're going to go pretty much opposite that valve again. Just push that valve back in and just use a palm of your hand now. When you get to this point, we have some tension, just go around the tyre and put it back to the centre of that rim, and then it pops on. Unclip, that's that, ready to go. One wheel done. That was so simple, so easy. That was outrageous. Let's leave the Tyre Glider on there and go for a quick swap. Oh my God, these are so hot. Okay, next up, Tru-Tension Tyre Monkey. Let's see if we can get a successful attempt out of this from a real rim, a normal rim with a gully and a normal tyre that's not stupidly hard, to be fair, to get off, hopefully. So remove that retaining nut, hold that up. It's the same as the Tyre Glider according to the website, and you just pull this tyre away from the edge and the lip of the rim all the way round. I'm going to do the same again, poke up that inner tube and start opposite the valve. Now, same again, pull tyre back and get under it, and come on, here it goes, there we go. There you go. Yep. That's off, and it's ripped my ripped my sticker, and lovely, brilliant. Okay, right, so, and then from there, obviously, you'll be able to get your in-tube out and pop it back. So now, to get this back on, apparently, it's just like the Tyre Glider. So you've seen I've had ridiculous amounts of trouble with this. So we're going to do this the same way, dead opposite the valve, lift over that tyre, I hate the way that goes, pop it on that rim and push. Okay, now that's got to that tight point, so we can do the same as before, push that valve up so you get a bit more room. There we go. Just move it back off of that rim, back to the middle. There. Now, just come on. Come on. There we go. That in? Yeah. Well, son of a diddly. It worked. It worked! Well, there you go. I think that's the first time I've actually had a successful use out of this Tru-Tension Tyre Monkey. Am I impressed? No, look at that. It's ripped my sticker off of my brand new rim. These are my Bontrager affinities. These are my Bontrager affinities, and now it's just a Traeger Infinity on that side, obviously. Maybe I should use the Tyre Monkey on this side and try and match it up. As you all know, we don't just buy wheels because, you know, they're practical. We buy wheels because we like them. We buy wheels because the way we, like the way they look. And cyclists are, what are we? We're vain. We are vain, you know. You wouldn't buy a set of Hunt wheels and remove the stickers. I wouldn't, because you want people to know what those wheels are. Well, there we go. Who wins out of these two? It's the Tyre Showdown. Fight! Tap out, fight! There's your winner. I think it's hands down obvious. Tyre Glider. Tyre Glider did not damage my stickers. It did not damage the rim. It didn't damage the tyre. To be fair, this didn't damage the tyre, and thank God. It did damage one before. Watch that video. But it did damage my brand new wheels stickers. And well, that annoys me. So this, is it usable? It is usable on a normal regular rim with a deep groove on the rim profile. Yeah, it does. These tyres are extremely hot as well, because out here in this sun, it's let's see, in the Shedshop it's 38 degrees, which is just stupid hot. And out here I think it's about 27, 28, which is too hot for me. I don't know why I did this on a day like today. But anyway, would I choose the Tyre Monkey? Hell no. Will I give it away to someone? Oh yes. For me, it's the Tyre Glider every time. Every time. Thank you for watching A's Little Shed Shop. Like, subscribe, click for notifications, and we'll see you again soon.